Good morning. My name is Ritambak 19BC 1141. Now I am going to explain my digital assignment 2 for image processing. Here I have to implement the smoothing, sharpening, and hypers and lowers filtering. For implementing this, I have used OpenCV library and other scikit-image and NumPy for the Python libraries that I have used here, and I have imported necessary functionalities and libraries for these operations. So first we have read the image and converted it into grayscale image, and this is the original image. On this image I am going to do my all operations. So first I have implemented the smoothing of the image by taking the averaging method. So here it is the kernel, which is 3 cross 3 in size, and this is the kernel actual representation where the middle part get lesser priority and edges get more priority. So here I have implemented the kernel 3 times. It is the iteration number, here it is, and using the convolution 2D method from the OpenCV library, and this give me this blurrish image, which actually this after the smoothing of this image 3 times. Next I have implemented the sharpening method where the middle portion get more priority other than these edges. So here it is the representation of the sharpening image. If I have implemented the sharpening image here also only single time, and this is the sharpening image of the original image. Now I have implemented the high pass and low pass filtering. For the low pass and high pass filtering I have used the Gaussian filter method. So here it is it. The Gaussian filter method I have implemented on it. So high pass filter mm, uh, remove the components with having higher frequency, and after that we get a smoother image with only the lower frequencies available in it. So here it is the representation of it. Then I have implemented the high pass filtering. Also I have used here the Gaussian filter, same as the low pass. So here we get the only the high higher frequency component, and we have just minus the low pass filter from the original image, and we get the high pass filter, and here it is the representation of it. And for the normal implementation we can also implement it using the kernel where the middle portion get more priority other than the side priorities. So here it is the filter for high pass filtering, and we get the image representation like that. So in this way I have implemented all the three operations: smoothing, sharpening, and high pass filtering, low pass filtering using OpenCV library. Thank you.